Do you know what this is, guys? This is a must-have feature if your trunk struts are short. Perfect. Let's replace the struts. Right, to remove this end, you need to have this clip moved off like this. Okay, so need to slide this one down and then it comes off. Okay, that's how it looks. I moved this circlip off and then it slides off. And then the other end, it just comes off. This looks a little bit corroded, so before you put the new ones back, put some lubricant on it. So what I did put this end first, then pushed it down and put it on top. Joint, as I said, there should be a circlip. It should look like this. That's it, that's the circlip. What's supposed to be on both sides, just have it on one side. Let's replace the other one as well. So same thing here, we installed this side first and then we push it down. I can't do it with one hand, but we push it down and put it on the joint. Yeah, when you go back, don't forget the circlip. If you got both of them, very good. If not, at least get one in. Let's do the first test. Okay. Yep, all works. Bye bye to this one.